There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
Okay guys, welcome to a new episode of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we're going to do something different. The truck is parked right behind me, guys. Today we need to do some maintenance of the LPG system. So the first thing that we need to do is pop the hood. The part where we need to do some maintenance is located here. What we need to do now is unbolt some bolts right here. Also the white one right there. And disconnect the incoming LPG. Then the outgoing hose of the LPG. And then some water hoses. And then the whole thing should come off. Then we will take it apart on the workbench. And then hopefully she runs a little bit better. So we removed the evaporator from the car. Now it's time to disassemble the complete evaporator and remove all the gaskets and change them out. Okay guys, so it's the next day. Need to clean all the parts. Clean it with a little bit of diesel, because diesel has the power to clean and also power to lubricate. Okay guys, so we rebuilt the reducer or the LPG evaporator, what's it called? It's now time to install it back on the truck and hopefully she runs better now. Okay guys, so we installed the LPG reducer or the evaporator. So now it's time to fill up the coolant, start her up, let her get warm, and hopefully she runs better on LPG. So stay tuned. Okay guys, we made a little mistake. I put this ring here and it should be actually in the cover. It should be like this. So what happened was it was just pushing a lot of gas into the car like it was on full throttle. So now we're going to assemble it the right way and then hopefully everything is okay. Okay guys, so we did our first test run. Everything seemed okay, no high pressure anymore. So it really was the small ring that was twisted. It was all my fault, but luckily with some internet research and go over our previous footage, we knew what was wrong.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.